Install the hydraulic system. 1. Put the combination pad on the oil bolt. 2. Connect the oil bolt with the steel oil pipe. 3. Put the check valve into the oil bolt and connect the oil bolt with the oil tube. 4. Connect the gear pump with mounting plate. 5. Install the gear pump onto the lifting cylinder. Please add some thread locking glue before screwing it. 6. Screw the air vent with spring washer into the cylinder. 7. Install the lifting motor onto the gear pump. 8. Connect the oil tube with the gear pump and lifting cylinder. 9. Make sure to put some thread locking glue before screwing it. Make sure the pagoda spring not fall out during screw. 9. Screw tight the oil pipe and use a spanner to support the mounting plate while screwing the bolt. Please remember to hoist and lower the piston several times to squeeze the air out. The hydraulic system is assembled.